This video examines the Supreme Court case 4E Steel Builders Corp. Versus Maybank Philippines Inc., focusing on foreign bank land disqualification and the non-retroactivity of Republic Act 10,641. The dispute centers on a secured credit line facility, an extrajudicial foreclosure initiated by a majority foreign-owned bank, and the legal implications of constitutional land ownership restrictions. In 1999, 4E Steel obtained a credit facility from Maybank, secured by a mortgage on 5 parcels of land. Following a payment dispute in 2003, Maybank initiated foreclosure proceedings and emerged as the highest bidder. The procedural timeline began with the 1999 credit facility. After the 2003 foreclosure, 4E Steel filed an accounting suit. The Court of Appeals later voided the foreclosure, a decision eventually affirmed by the Supreme Court in 2023. The Supreme Court addressed core issues regarding the constitutionality of foreign land ownership and whether newer laws could retroactively validate the bank's past actions. Specifically, the court evaluated the validity of the 2003 foreclosure and whether Republic Act 10,641 could be applied retroactively to validate the bank's acquisition. Under the 1987 Constitution and RA 4882, foreign entities were strictly prohibited from acquiring private land. Although foreign banks could hold mortgage possession for 5 years, they were barred from bidding in foreclosure sales. The Supreme Court ruled that RA 10641, enacted in 2014, contains no retroactive clause. Therefore, the 2003 foreclosure remains governed by the laws in effect at that time, rendering the sale null and void. Despite voiding the foreclosure, the court held that the principal loan debt remained active. Interest charges were adjusted to lawful rates, and the case was remanded for a proper accounting of the outstanding balance. This comparison highlights the shift in law. While RA 4882 prohibited foreign banks from bidding, the 2014 law, RA 10641, now allows it, though only on a prospective basis. The Supreme Court ultimately denied the petitions and affirmed the appellate ruling with modifications. The foreclosure sale was declared void, the debt remains enforceable, and the case was sent back to the trial court. Key takeaways include: foreign entities were strictly barred from land acquisition by foreclosure under RA 4882. RA 10,641 does not apply retroactively, and a void foreclosure does not discharge the underlying principal debt. This concludes our summary of 4E Steel Builders Corporation versus Maybank Philippines Inc. Thank you for watching.